Hello and good evening, friends. Today we are going to present you a very special program, and we have a special guest with us on the platform of Numero Yogi, Captain Manmeet Singh. Captain sir, welcome to Numero Yogi's platform.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sumitji. Thank you very much.
As promised to all our guests that we have been coming up with the guest numerologist, astrologer, etc. And in the occult field, there is another field called color therapy. So we have a very special guest, Captain Manmeet Singh, who served Indian Army. And I would directly like to come to the topic of today is that color therapy can provide the remedies to many diseases. Captain Saab, before we start our main subject, I would like to know something about you.
Please, sir. Um, you see, I served in the Indian Army for 5 years at various places. My first posting was in Siachen Glacier. After that, I've served at places like Kargil, Dras, and from there onwards, then I moved into the civil world. And uske baad, then I have been actually working with a company called, means I worked in the corporate sector for quite some time. Companies like ITC Hotels, companies like Oracle India and all. So post that, then I am doing my own setup in which I help the organizations, especially small and medium sized organizations, to go to the next level in the HR perspective. And
HR, you say.
parallelly, bilkul sir, hanji. And I'm also into natural farming.
Mhm.
And this particular farming I'm doing near Mau and Indore, about 40 kilometers from here.
Mhm.
And I'm very passionate about color therapy. It just happened. It is not that I wanted to get into this. It just happened. And from last 8 years, Sumit, I am doing the color therapy.
Great to know about your passion, Captain Manmeet.
Thank
Let
you,
us
Ji.
directly
Thank
come
you.
to your PPT you have prepared in respect of the color therapy and how to utilize and how it could be beneficial to many patients who have been suffering with the diseases like
Hanji, sir.
a headache or stomach ache or any many other diseases as we discussed earlier. So
Right.
let us directly come to the PPT, sir.
Bilkul, sir. Can you help me out, please, with the PPT,
Sure, sure,
Sumit?
sure, sure. Captain Manmeet is having this passion for last 8 years, and I'm told that this passion is like on a next level. Like I heard so many people like those who are into the color therapy being occultist, but Captain Sir is something like because I personally experienced from his color therapy. Is this visible, Captain Manmeet?
Bilkul, sir. It's visible, sir.
Yes, sir. So my first question is, I think you already answered to that. What is color therapy, sir, for the general public?
You see, when I say color therapy is on the principles of we use the colors which are actually available in the sunlight. When we say Vibgures, those seven colors, and plus obviously black and white, we also use those colors, and along with this pink. So basically, seven colors of Vibgyor, and we use pink, black, and white to treat any kind of a issue which we people have in our life. And in this, when I say so, our body is actually physical and metaphysical. So the energy is actually moving in a particular fashion. Also, there are certain meridians. When I look at Chinese acupressure, Ayurvedic acupressure, the energy is moving in a particular fashion. But
Right.
at the same time, when I look at energy, energy also moves in whichever direction you want. So what we do is we take this energy, which is both physical and metaphysical level, and wherever the problem is, whatever the issues are, on the basis of that, we try and apply those colors and he provide the healing effect.
Okay. So this is the general understanding of the color therapy. Okay. Let us
Bilkul,
move to
sir.
the
Very
next
much
slide.
so.
Yeah.
Please, next one.
This is the history of color therapy. I thought it's something new, and you're connecting it to the
No, no,
history.
not at all. It is a very, very old science. Let's take an example. If you look at that, are you aware of this? That women during our time, they apply a red bindi on the
You're right.
forehead.
Yes, sir.
So, if you see those, there is also, if you look at that there are various colors at various places where they apply. You see, body is actually a semblance. When I say so, our hand, feet, you can actually see body, entire part of the body, whether it's ears, whether it's hands, or the feet, or even on a single cell. There is also a saying that one single cell is the entire Brahmand. It has got all eyes, ears, nose, everything. It has got excretory system, it has got digestive system, it has got everything. And combined together, I think it has formed a body. So
Right,
when I
sir.
say so, are from a history perspective, very, very old science. When I say so, our ancestors, whether from Egypt or from Chinese or from our Ayurveda perspective, when we say so, our sages, they know it all actually. So somewhere I think it has got lost, and I think it's time that if we guys can make use of it and we can heal ourselves sitting at home, why not?
Great, sir. So,
Sir,
a lost tradition or a therapy which used to be in the knowledge of our ancestors, Captain Manmeet is now taking a charge to give it to the next generation. Let's see what next slide is. Yes, sir.
sir.
Benefits of color therapy.
You see, when I say the color therapy, rather than saying so, let's talk about that. What are the issues which we face? We face so many issues, mental issues. People face with depression, sadness, emotions are there. There are, you see, as any human being is not related to a second human being. We are all different. It could be because of our various experiences, it could be various relationships, it could be various, it could be anything. The way we eat, the way we actually deal with people, everything matters in today's world. And in today's world, when I say so, you will find people have issues like physical, which could be stiffness in the morning, which could be, I would say, especially in winters, again, on the basis of 4 seasons, the issues can be there. Issues could be mental, issues could be acute, when I say so, certain things which come very quickly and go off very quickly, but they can be very, very damaging. In a current scenario, when I take corona in current case, it's a very, very acute. It has come all of a sudden, and if not treated well, it the person can lose his life. So it
Right.
needs to be addressed and treated. Then comes chronic, which takes very, very long time. People have issues like kidney issues, people have problem with their cholesterol, which has taken a very, very long time. All those issues also can be linked with it.
So I'm
Nervous systems,
surprised.
when we talk about
I'm
that. So
surprised. I'm
same,
surprised
yes, please.
when you say that it can treat issues like kidney, issues like cholesterol, etc. Captain sir, we are touching a very sensitive subject of medical. So I would like to
Right.
give a disclaimer from the Nimru Yogis and as well as Captain Manmeet and that these are only the research related topics and the alternate therapies which are being practiced as a customary. So the prospective users should not simply treat or consider as a medical prescription these therapies as being propagated today, as well as they should take the advice of their medical practitioners and doctor before opting any such therapies. This is the disclaimer, sir, I wanted to give.
I fully agree with you, Sumit. You see, we do not suggest or recommend that people should get off their medicines. They should use these alternative therapy, get healed, get cured, visit their doctor. Should their own doctor tells them, yes,
Right.
now it's time to get off the medicines, then only under the advice and the guidance of their doctor, they should take any step, not on the basis of us.
Right, sir. Let us see what is in the next slide,
I
sir.
only want to add, Sumit,
Yes,
we
sir.
are only another link between the energy to ensure that people should get benefited somewhere down the line.
Right, sir.
So I won't call it as that, yes, it has immense, I would say the results are amazing. People will be able to see results. There are times when people are able to see results in 2 seconds, and in acute, in chronic, it may take longer, but results will be seen. You will see that. But it does not mean that people should get off their medicines. They should only do that under
Sure.
the advice of the doctor.
Sure. So with this precaution, let us move to the next slide, sir.
Very much so.
Oh, I could see something very interesting. This is talking of
Yeah, if you see, Sumit, headache is actually, if you see, it's a very, very common aspect. But you see, headache could be because of various reasons. Headache can be because of people go to the heat stroke, they get headache. People
Mhm.
go out in the sun, then also is a headache. Hunger pangs can lead to that. Gas, extra gas or a bloating feeling can lead to that. There could be various reasons.
Mm.
What we are trying to say is this particular part will give you immediate relief, the treatment which I've given it, you need to apply on the right hand side at the back side of your nail. You need to apply purple color. Middle finger, you should apply pink. Then on the left hand side, again on the middle finger, beneath the nail, pink color. And on the small finger, beneath the nail, sky blue color.
So
If you
let me
apply
just
that, all this
let
should
me
be applied in
understand.
the,
Captain Manmeet,
yes,
let me understand. So I could see there are left front, left back, and right back.
right,
So if I understand correctly, the protocol for treatment as per your color therapy for the headache is the left back, means you are talking of this portion, left
yes,
back.
back portion of the hand.
Okay.
Yes,
And the little finger, you need to apply, this is what blue color, sir? Sky
beneath
blue?
beneath the nail, sky blue color.
Sky blue. Here, you mean here.
Here,
Okay.
yes, beneath
And
the nail, sky blue color.
beneath the nail, sky blue. And the middle
Beneath the nail
finger,
and between the first joint. If you see, there's a first joint and the
yes,
nail.
yes,
So
yes.
over there,
I could see, sir. And I think this middle finger, this side, the left, you have applied pink color.
pink color. Yes.
Okay. But I could see a different color on the right hand, sir. In the middle finger, the same pink. However, the little finger, it's which color is this, sir?
It's a violet, sir. Violet.
Violet color. Okay. So, is there any connectivity or any science or art or anything related to these coloring for headache? I really, because I want to understand the first the chart itself, like how people
So
would
let
get
me
it
make it
connected.
simpler for you. If you see that this is the front part of the body of us.
Yes.
If you see any animal, anyone, if you see that there any portion which is aligned with the ground, if you see they're all actually in a horizontal way, all animals. It is only the human beings which stand vertical.
Right, sir.
You look at any animal kingdom, anyone.
Right, right,
So
right.
they're always aligned with the ground if you see that horizontally. And the part which is touching or I would say facing the ground is lighter in color. The
Mm-hmm.
one which is facing the sun is always darker in color.
Okay.
Same is with us. So this is the front portion. You'll see all the parts of the body is light in color. This is the
Mm.
darker side. So I would keep it, because of paucity of time, but I'll just still explain you that. What we're doing is all these parts, they represent the entire body also, but at the same time, it also, when they represent the entire body in terms of that, there are seven certain numbers, there are certain everything, there is a deeper science behind it. But when I
Mm-hmm.
look at that, this particular part is basically behind my neck region, if you see that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Moment I apply a color, you will see that immediate relief, because the nerves, it's actually all the nerves actually they pass through this region
Right.
behind this
Right.
to the spine. So
Okay.
over here, moment we apply that, you will find at times you may find a result in 1 or 2 minutes.
Oh, that's really wonderful.
Yeah, immediate.
So headache can be treated with the color therapy. It's really wonderful to the public at large and our viewers of Nimroyogi. And I think let's see that what is the hidden treasure in the next slide, sir.
Okay.
So I could see the
You see,
protocol for
this is one
treatment.
of the big issues which most of the people face.
Yes, particularly the
Stiffness.
office going people, stiffness, pain in the
Yeah,
neck.
they are sitting, yes, most of the time.
Yeah.
So if you find they are having knots in the neck and they have a big problem over there, you need to go back. Yeah, no, back.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one. So here the treatment has to be again, this will be on the back side, but it'll be on the joint system.
Left,
Have you
left
seen the
back.
joint number
Yes,
one, joint number two, and joint number three?
sir.
So we are doing it here, we're giving a treatment on joints.
Joints.
So
Okay.
this is joint 1, 2, 3. So on the basis of that, first joint, purple color. Then
Right.
next one, this is the right hand side, Sumit, of mine.
Yes, sir.
Second joint, if I look at that, it is the orange color.
You're right, sir.
And if I see the index finger of mine, it's a yellow color.
Yellow color. Right back.
Yes.
This side you said. Okay.
But yeah,
This.
back and right hand side.
Yes, yes. And I
And
could
if I
see.
come back on my left hand side,
Yes, sir.
on my index finger, it's a sky blue color.
Hmm.
And on my ring finger, it is the red color.
Sounding very magical. The colors. Means that when we
You
used to be
see
kid,
that?
we will just, our all the hands and everywhere the color will be spreaded to also. But using these color in such a, what you call, a meaningful manner, I'm seeing it first time that it can treat also many diseases.
I can only, Sumit, share that anyone who's having certain issues, let them try this out. You will
Sure.
find just day before yesterday, there was another army officer who came to me having very, very stiff neck, stiff shoulders, cervical. He says, I'm having it from last 4 years. I've tried everything, nothing has worked.
Really.
Sumit, trust me, he came yesterday. He says, you see, it took me a little time, but for him, it took me only 20 minutes. He got a relief immediately. But what I meant to say is relief and 80% relief. It took him 20
80%.
minutes.
Oh.
80%. He was not willing to give me a feedback. He says, hold on, I'll give you feedback. Okay. So after 20 minutes, he says, with 80% relief, I've never experienced from last 4 years, I'm struggling.
Mhm.
So he's very, very happy with that.
This is amazing, sir.
So
This is amazing. Four
you see,
years
it's only a
stiffness
blocked
and pain.
energy.
Right.
Great. Sir,
Let us move to the next slide, because
very
I'm
much, sir.
really finding it very curious to know that how, like, diseases are such, people have been like suffering for 4 years, 3 years, and you are saying in minutes or 20 minutes it can cure. The third slide, you talk of treatment for stomach pain, sir. Stomach pain.
Yeah, stomach pain, when I say so, if you look at that, here I have actually used a different perspective. I
Yeah.
only want to share with you this particular part,
The
okay,
right.
represents stomach
Mhm.
also. Right hand side represents stomach, okay.
Okay.
So what we have done is on the stomach part, we have gone and I would say we have given a particular treatment over there.
So I could see some colors, dots are there. This ring finger, sir, at the just bottom.
Yes, it's a ring finger. You see, this is the area of stomach and spleen, both.
Okay. So
So
any
what we are
specific
doing is
colors?
we are trying to,
Any
it's
specific?
basically helping them out. If there's any block in the energy over there in that particular area, we try and help them out. And moment we apply colors, there'll be immediate relief in that.
Great. So all kind of stomach pains, sir, how do you identify really? Because stomach pain could be because of
I want to
many
share,
things.
see, I'm giving very, very basic right now,
Okay, okay, okay.
but
You
with
have
the
to
basic,
identify
they
it.
will still get results. They will get results. But you
Mhm.
see, it could be because of bloating, it could be because of bad food. You see, I need to
Many
understand that
reasons.
suppose somebody is having eaten a bad food, okay, and stomach food poisoning is there,
Right,
okay.
right.
So when the food poisoning is there, we have an antibiotic with
Hmm.
color therapy. So
Hmm.
we can treat and go to that particular area, give an antibiotic through colors. We're not doing any medicine.
Right,
And just
right.
imagine that any virus, any bacteria which is troubling, it will die on its own death and the body will heal itself.
That's astonishing, sir.
So we are doing only
With the
that.
colors,
No,
with
it
the
is
colors,
God.
the
To be
viruses.
honest with you,
Hmm.
I think Almighty has given us. It is the energy, it is the Almighty who's doing it. We are only, I think, we understand. I think it's time for us to spread this out.
Sure, sure. Let's see what is hidden in the next slide, sir. Breathing issues. Oh,
I
during
purposely
this.
took this
Mhm.
because of breathing issues, because nowadays, especially during this time, people are facing these issues. So
So we
what this
have
will
to
do
we
is
have to cover our faces all the time with the mask and all. And
very much. So this will open up the lungs. It will increase the fire in the lungs. So you will be able to feel more of prana, which we talk about from a yoga perspective. You will experience more of a prana, and that will be of great help. And I think people should apply somewhere people feel today any breathing issues. Today
hmm.
only I happened to go to Indore to meet my uncle. He was having a breathing issue, so I gave him a treatment. After 10 minutes, when I asked him, he was comfortable taking a. He's actually overweight, uncle of mine. So
So
he
you
was very, very
applied.
actually benefited with that.
If I could see, you applied, I think some dots and some colors. If I could see at the bottom of the
I have
this
applied,
middle
yes.
finger. Yeah.
Yes. If you can you see this? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And I have applied, yeah. If you see this, I've also applied these.
Oh, yourself.
You
Okay.
see, I'm also a person, I'm also a mortal like you. So
Hmm.
we all live in this world. It is not that I can't have any issues. So if I'm having, I will apply certain things and try
Yeah,
and
right,
heal
right,
myself.
right. if it's a therapy, it is applicable and it is beneficial to all of us, even the person who is advising and suggesting. And that's why we
Very
have
much,
to
sir.
experiment on ourselves as
Sir.
well.
No,
Okay.
no, very much required.
So the breathing issue is something like, if I could see, asthma and various stages are there. So even these stages, by identifying the patient, you first talk to the patient. How do you do that? How do you suggest? Is it possible over the phone also, or you need to
You
like?
see, the best way is over the phone, over a video call, or via WhatsApp. We can reach out. I can send a chart like this.
Mm-hmm.
People should have only a sketch pen in their hands.
Mm-hmm.
And I recommend the Camlin brush pen,
Okay.
because generally, you know, that 15 rupees or 20 rupees wala sketch pen will actually be,
May
moment you
not
wash
have.
your hands, it'll go away.
Yeah, right.
So these brush pens are actually costing good about, I think, 175 to 180 rupees kind of
But
a
more
stuff.
effective, good effective one.
They're more effective. They'll stay a little longer. That's
Right,
why.
right, right. So
So
let us
on an
see.
average, I think I must cover it up while you asked me this question. We should try and keep the colors at least for 4 hours. It
Okay.
is more beneficial in sunlight, but
Mhm.
it does not mean that you can't apply at night. You can apply at night also. There is no restriction at any point of time.
Okay. Thank you, Captain Sir. Let us see, move on to the next slide you have come up with, if I could see.
So
Oh, this I was about to ask, sir. Uh, not not
yeah.
this way, but I wanted to ask that, is there any side effect of, like, suppose somebody has mistakenly applied a wrong color or wrong dots, or is there any kind of a side
If
effect?
I say, even if I applied a color in a wrong way, it does not have any side effect,
Okay.
because you are applying just, you see, energy's job is always to give you positive and positive and positive. Energy doesn't give you negative stuff at all.
Right.
So should you feel, but at the same time, as a caution, should you find something that, hey, I'm feeling a little uncomfortable, there is no harm, please go and wash your hands and we'll go through some other way.
Right.
You see, in energy, when we apply colors, there is not single way.
Mhm.
If I have to come to Mumbai, I can come via Goa, I can come via Gujarat, I can come via Nasik, I can try
Various ways
various
are
ways
there.
and means,
You're
but
right.
yet my destination is same.
Hmm.
So same way with color therapy also, we can apply various other angles. It could be Chinese, it could be Dr. Wall therapy, it could be Ayurvedic, means Ayurvedic color therapy. It could be your on the body parts which are there. We can go in whichever way, mega meridians to the micro meridians. We can do anything, but I think we need to understand people that what their issues are and then help them out.
Right, sir. Right. So people, those who are definitely interested, curious, want to know, wish to learn, and also to get cured. So they may contact for queries and remedies Captain Manmeet Singh, color therapist. His number is 636-470-3333. It's Indian number. You can see +91. The code is there. And you can also mail your queries to him at colorsforhealing@gmail.com. Is it right, Captain Manmeet? I
Yes,
hope.
yes, Sumit.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yes.
before we wind up our session, sir, I'm really finding it amazing, like how just colors, sir. It's difficult to digest, but I can personally say, because I have got certain remedies from your end. People may not be easily, like, going to digest it. That colors can cure. Is it an alternate
Sumit,
recognized
I'll
therapy,
just
sir?
answer only one.
It is recognized alternate
No, I
therapy,
want to ask you something.
sir?
Yes, it is, but I want to add something to it, Sumit.
Yes, sir.
You see, anything which is at a metaphysical level, I shared with you that a single cell is a Brahmand itself.
Right.
And if you look at that, especially I've been reading about quantum physics. If you look at that, in
Hmm.
quantum physics, if two cells are vibrating at the same frequency,
Hmm.
even if they are billion years away, they will be talking on a real time.
Oh, right.
So if that part is existing, if they can talk, I'm saying here, when you moment you put a point, the
Hmm.
cell can talk on a real time and you can get healed immediately. Experience, I would say. I never questioned this. Moment you ask me na, ki, Captain, how it's happening, I've never questioned the law of nature ever. Because the
Right.
moment I start questioning, then I think And if you ask me how it happens, even I'm also intrigued, Sumit. The
Mm-hmm.
way you're surprised, I'm also intrigued. Can it also really happen like this? That's why I think I'm getting more deeper and deeper into this. It's time people must experience and heal themselves sitting at home. And let's not question energy. Energy does it, as simple as that. Trust me, I don't have answers that how colors can do it. I don't have. It's Almighty's. I think bliss. We can only experience it.
I think this reminds me of American poet Robert Frost. Those four lines: "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep
Uh,
miles to go before I sleep. Miles to go before I sleep."
yes.
So, Captain Manmeet Singh, sir, we are very blessed to have you on our platform today on Nimro Yogi, and I'm really amazed to see the kind of knowledge and experience you are carrying in this color therapy. And I
Thank
suggest,
you so much,
recommend
sir.
to all our viewers to learn it, to get it cured themselves if they are suffering with any such kind of diseases, and definitely not without asking your medical practitioners, as we have put the disclaimer. As an alternative therapy, I would suggest that people can and people must try this. It's a color therapy. Cost is very, I must say that effective. Like there is nothing, only the sketch pen as you suggested, but the knowledge behind this
Yes,
application, I must say that is very precious and that is very invaluable.
sir.
Captain Manmeet Singh, thank you very much, sir, for coming on our platform and giving us valuable
Thank
advice
you,
on
Sumit.
color therapy.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Namaskar, sir.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate. Thank you, Sumit.
So, friends, on the platform of Numerology, we will keep bringing guests, and we thought of initially only speakers from numerology field or astrology or occult, but I feel like that occult is not only confined to these two three subjects. It is spreaded to alternate therapies also, which are beneficial to the human being. And like Captain Manmeet Singh has today given a very valuable advices to the human beings and as well as to the world at large. So thank you very much. Keep sharing, liking our videos on Nimra Yogi. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.